my name is Briana. My name is Batool.
My name is Jazlyn.
My name is Jarali.
And today we are going to be a 1-minute challenge on making slime.
Look at
Okay,
this.
let's start the video.
So you guys, we started it without you. We put glue in,
Yeah.
and we're gonna start the timer for 1 minute.
So
Yep.
here it is. Okay,
Start.
start. Pass it around very little. Go,
Oh
go,
my
go,
God.
go, go.
Hurry.
I'm gonna get this. I don't care.
Shoot! I poured so much. It better be enough. Come on, Trinity. So
Go, 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 go.
Give me some.
Guys, we have 46 seconds left.
No. We're all going crazy.
Go, 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 go.
Wait, you're tied. I need the tie. You guys? No.
Go, go, go. There's 30 seconds left.
So low.
30 seconds.
The freaking time.
Oh, shoot.
It's okay.
Okay, time to knead the slime. I'm kneading my slime already. I'm on the kneading step.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, this is actually really good.
I need
Surprisingly, this is actually really good.
Oh my God. Okay, mine.
A bit sticky, but really good.
10
Guys,
seconds.
I'm done.
Oh shoot, I need to knead it.
Oh my God.
Oh my god. We're doing 2 more seconds. 1. Done.
Wait, I just gotta mix this.
You guys,
I finished.
I finished. I finished.
Oh my
I finished.
I finished.
Mine is very sticky.
Okay.
Yes.
So mine is very. Briana, I don't care.
Kind of successful.
Brian,
Mine
Brianna,
is
seconds, so look at this
sticky
is
but
good.
successful.
Good slime.
Like it's slimed.
Here, move the freaking tie. This one goes in the way, okay?
Oh my
Oh, oh shoot.
I failed.
I actually did kind of good. Oh my god,
I
Brianna.
failed.
I don't know if you guys can see Brianna's slime,
Yeah,
but
mine is.
hers is really
I
bad.
think I need some of this.
Oh my god. Brianna, you are like, you and Trinity are the worst. Wait, Jazlyn, what do you do?
Just a little bit, okay?
Oh, okay, mine's getting back together.
So,
It's too sticky.
I know it's only supposed to be the 1 minute
Okay, my
challenge, but I just need it a bit more. It's good now.
Yeah,
She's having some difficulties,
difficult.
but
I just add more glue
Other
just to
than
make
that, it's a good
better.
slime, right?
yeah.
Right?
it. You're so guilty. She dropped a little bit of her slime and you just put it in your slime.
Because mine's a bit sticky, and I was like really overactivated, so I was like, I'll just take it.
Who, mine?
No,
Oh.
Trinity's.
Oh wait, mine's fake. Can we do it again?
Okay, mine's turning.
Okay, yeah, mine's good.
It's
Tie takes forever, okay? We lost the challenge.
Yes.
We should have used
done
borax.
borax.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, I think. Do you want to end the video?
Okay.
Okay. Well, we'll see you guys next time, I guess.
Bye, guys.
I forgot the ending.